Nice to see a little sunshine and warmer temperatures. Court here now with how long this break might last.
Well, not too long. You've got a bit more time, though, to enjoy the pleasant weather outside and get out for that fresh air. A live look right now at the Sundial Bridge in Reading, where it's been a very pleasant morning after the fog burnt off earlier on. Right now, plenty of sunshine overhead, and it's a comfortable day to get out and about. Temperatures across the valley currently in the mid to upper 60s right now. Chico's reporting sites down. That's why you're not seeing the data there, or same with Bernie and Willows, but the rest of our region showing up, and we're in the mid to upper 60s for the valley. 50s to lower 60s in most foothill areas, 64 already in Paradise, and we're in the 50s in many of our mountain zones to lower 60s right now. So we're warming up very quickly. Winds, pretty modest, not much of an impact here. Out of the northeast up to around 5 miles an hour. Heading into the afternoon, those winds staying lighter. Getting a little stronger tomorrow, and they'll be out of the south, 10 to 20 mile an hour gusts, and then we see those winds a little stronger than that on Wednesday as that next wet system approaches. 20 to 30 mile an hour gusts possible, sustained winds up to 20 miles an hour Wednesday, so wet, windy, and cooler as we head through the middle of your work week. Satellite and radar, some clouds intruding into parts of the valley already, but they're fairly thin and they're really not doing anything for us. And as you expand that look across the west coast, you can see why we're staying dry today. And the reason is we have this ridge of high pressure to our south building into Southern California. Remember, high means dry, so this is acting as that blocking pattern to keep the showers at bay. We had the fog earlier today, and today it's mostly sunshine and warm temperatures. Cool wet system off the coast of the Pacific Northwest, trying to pull that moisture in, but again, that high pressure to our south just acting as that blocking pattern to keep that at bay. Heading through the rest of today, we've got sunny to mostly sunny skies heading into the afternoon with some thin clouds building in by around 5 p.m. Still, those clouds very thin, though. It's going to be bright out there. You're going to want your sunglasses through the afternoon. Cloud cover becoming a bit more substantial and widespread overnight through early tomorrow. That's going to trap in some of this afternoon's heat, leaving us with a mild start to your Tuesday. Cloudy but dry for Tuesday, and then shower chances ramping back up late Tuesday night into Wednesday. Wednesday's wet. Thursday's wet. Friday, more showers heading through. A little bit of a lull on the way for Saturday, but some showers are still possible. And then another wet system rolling in Sunday, giving us some pretty decent looking rain totals through your weekend. So as you get a look at what we're seeing through late Wednesday night, this is the time frame we're dealing with here. Over an inch along I-5 in the valley for rain totals, up to 2 inches in areas of the northern mountains, half an inch to an inch in the Sierra, about a half an inch in areas of Butte County. Heading into late this week, those rain totals continuing to pile up, over 2.5 inches for Reading and Red Bluff, nearly 2 inches for Chico, and then those rain totals continue to bolster through the weekend, looking pretty good by early next week. Could see 4+ inches of rain in some areas. Snow totals, we're looking at about 1.5 feet in Mineral through the middle of this week. Could see over 1.5 feet to almost 2 feet in Mount Shasta. Temperatures today, low to mid 60s in the northern mountains, 50s to 60s in the Sierra and southern Cascades, low to mid 60s in the foothills for today. And if you're in the valley, temperatures in the mid to upper 60s for the afternoon, mostly sunny to partly cloudy for the remainder of the day. Your Storm Tracker 7-day forecast for your weekend's always in view. We'll take a deeper dive into that and how long this chance for active weather sticking around coming up in a few minutes.